How's it going, YouTube? Well, today we're gonna be installing some new headlights. I decided to go with some LEDs, so let's go and see what we got here. Alright, it is cold out here right now. Minnesota weather, gotta love it. Alright, here's the LEDs I got. Look at that. These right here, that's the driving lights, you know, and then we got the low and high beams. So this is for the older style, bigger headlights on there. We're gonna be putting these right there, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'm also installing these LED lights on there. Yeah, we have the old one right there, so it's gonna be a much better light right there. Looks nice. Alright, let's go ahead and try and take these off. I might have to set the camera down for a little bit, that way I don't lose any screws. So I'm gonna have to take this off, and once I get it all off and ready to get the other one back on, I'll start recording again. Alright, we already have all of that stuff that holds in the light out, so let's go ahead and take this off. Got a whole bunch of mess in there. Alright, let me see if I can take it off with one hand. There we go. That's off. There's the plug right there. This is the old light. Let's go get the new light on here. It's a big difference. Wow. Look at the old one. Look at the new one. Look how white that is. Look at this one. So let's go give it a try. Not sure if I'll be able to connect it with one hand, but I'll give it a try here real quick. Sorry for all the movement, it's just hard keeping it straight here with trying to work at the same time. Perfect fit. Right, that's on there. This one here is for the driving lights, so later on I'll be sending over a cable and putting a switch inside and flipping it on whenever I want to. When I don't want to use headlights, I'll be using the driving lights. So let's just tuck that in there. Let me see here. Seems like that's how it goes. So I'm gonna have to put the camera down and put this all together again. Alright, be right back. Alright, the light has been put on. There we go, that's the way it looks. There we go. Oh, this is the old one. So now we're just gonna go ahead and turn it on and see how it looks. It's got the Creed LEDs, so I would imagine they're pretty bright. It's DOT approved, so let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright guys, I got everything apart inside my truck, so getting wiring, stuff like that in here. So let's go ahead and flip the switch there. I'm gonna turn off the light here real quick. So alright, there we go, light is off. So let's go ahead and turn on the lights from the front, the headlights. So here we go. It's the first time trying it out, so hopefully they look nice. Oh man, oh wow, that's the LED on this side, that's the regular on that side. Let's go outside and see how it's looking. Wow, look at that, that's bright. You can see that right there, it's all yellow. Over here it's all nice and white. So let's take a look from the front. Ooh. Look at that, look at that. Okay, well right now we're almost in front of the truck, or of this light. Let's go to the other side. Wow, it's a big difference. There. You can even stand right in front of it if you want. There. And there. Oh man. We're right in front of this headlight. Trying to make this as much as information we can get here. We're right in front of this one and it's super bright. Alright, let's go ahead and get the high beam on. Alright, we're back on the truck. So, man, this cold really gets you tired. So let's go ahead and hit the high beams. Oh man. Wow. Look at that side. Low beam, high beam. Look at this side. Low beam, high beam. Man, can see my tree back there, my apple tree. Wow. Well, let's go outside again and see how the high beam is looking. Oh man. Wow, what do you guys think of the Creed LED lights here? I think they look awesome. It's gonna make a big difference going on the road. Man, can I believe I was driving with these lights? It made it very difficult to see during the night. It looks super bright. Wow. Well, here we are driving down the road. It's already past midnight. It's already 1:40 or 1:38, 1:40. So driving for the first time with a new LED Creed LED lights, headlights. It has made a big difference compared to the old halogen lights I had on this truck. So that's the low beams right now, and I can see very clearly the road, the signs, everything. So here's the high beams. It makes a huge difference. I am very surprised. I really like these lights. They are working like they're actually working better than what I thought they were going to. So before, with the other lights, with the old halogen lights, I would always have problems seeing at night and stuff like that, you know, so it would get my eyes real tired, and, you know, from forcing, trying to see more than what I was able to.
But now these lights on here now, it's gonna definitely help me out at night. So